Looking for the hottest e-bikes of the year? Whether you're into off-road adventures, cargo hauling, or compact city rides, these 5 electric bikes pack serious punch and versatility. From the rugged Fiido Titan to the ultra-convenient folding ox, here are the top models that deliver unmatched performance, innovative features, and the smoothest rides you'll find today. Ready to ride in style? Let's dive into the best e-bikes you can buy right now. Fiido Titan, the ultimate adventure SUV on 2 wheels. If you're an adventurer at heart, the Fiido Titan is your go-to companion. This beast of an e-bike delivers a truly remarkable experience. With its 696 watt-hour battery, you get a range of up to 84 miles on a single charge, but the game changes when you add 2 extra batteries, boosting the range to a staggering 248 miles. No matter how remote your destination, the Titan will get you there without range anxiety. But it's not just about the battery. The torque sensor is one of the best I've seen, instantly adjusting the power output based on your pedaling force. This makes climbing steep hills and navigating tough trails incredibly smooth. The APC's IP68 rated waterproof color display is both a dashboard and the key to unlocking the bike, which adds a layer of convenience. You can even unlock it via the mobile app. And the heavy-duty load capacity of 440 pounds is unmatched, making it perfect for riders with extra cargo or larger body frames. Riding the Fiido Titan felt like sitting on a cloud, thanks to the comfortable Velo saddle designed for endurance. At 83 pounds, it's not a light bike, but that weight pays off when you realize how rugged and durable the frame is. It truly lives up to its name as the SUV of e-bikes, designed for any adventure you can dream up. Granite Tricycles Electric Bike, the ultimate cargo carrier, the Granite Tricycles. Electric bike is perfect for urban commuting and transporting heavy loads. With its 500-watt peak rear hub motor and innovative open differential axle, this trike can handle turns seamlessly, making it easy to maneuver even when fully loaded. The payload capacity of 350 pounds is a godsend, whether you're carrying groceries, gear, or even your kids. One of the standout features is the quick fold design. To hold the trike in just 10 seconds with a few simple steps. This makes it incredibly convenient for storing or transporting in your car. And with a 48-volt, 15-amp-hour battery, you can ride up to 55 miles on a single charge, meaning fewer stops to recharge during long trips. The ride itself is smooth and comfortable thanks to the state-of-the-art damping and spring system that absorbs road shocks. And whether you're navigating city streets or rougher terrain, this trike delivers an impact-free experience. Plus, the high-brightness headlight and 44-tooth crankset ensure safety and efficient power transfer, giving you precision control over every ride. And for those long hauls, the leather grip on the handlebars reduces fatigue, ensuring you're comfortable no matter how far you're going. Number 3, Folding Ox Compact Power meets Adventure. The Folding Ox e-bike is the definition of convenience and performance rolled into one. With its 3-step foldable design, storing it in small spaces like a car trunk or even a tiny apartment is effortless. The 20-inch all-terrain fat tires are perfect for both city streets and rugged off-road paths, giving you versatility no matter where you ride. Equipped with a 750-watt peak rear hub motor, the Folding Ox delivers 52 Newton meters of torque. It has 60 miles of range with a 48-volt, 12-amp battery. This is fantastic for weekend adventurers or commuters alike. The dual disc brakes provide consistent performance, and they've been tested rigorously over 1,000 tests before leaving the factory. The oversized saddle is incredibly comfortable, and the suspension fork with 35% longer suspension travel compared to other bikes means you won't feel every bump in the road. Whether you're cruising downtown or exploring a mountain trail, this bike gives you a smooth, responsive ride. And despite its tank-like appearance, the frame is made of lightweight material that's 75% lighter than steel, so it's easy to carry around. Number 4, the PXID all-terrain fat tire electric hybrid mountain bike, built for every adventure. If you're into trailblazing, the all-terrain fat tire is your ultimate companion. Designed for versatility, this e-bike is ideal for everything from commuting to serious off-road adventures. And the 750-watt brushless motor provides a whopping 91 Newton meters of torque. making hills feel like flat ground. Its 25 miles per hour max speed and 40-mile range give you plenty of power and endurance for any trip. The bike's 330 pounds payload capacity means you can load it up with gear, groceries, or whatever you need, and the 48-volt 16 amp hour battery ensures stable, long-lasting power. One of my favorite features is the front and rear dual shock absorption system. Whether you're hitting rough mountain trails or bumpy city roads, the adjustable shock absorption adapts to the terrain, giving you a smooth and comfortable ride. Despite its powerful performance, the bike is surprisingly lightweight due to the advanced frame materials, and it's resistant to rust, which adds to its longevity. The 24x4-inch tires offer excellent traction and stability, especially when you're tackling tricky terrains like sand, gravel, or snow. Number 5, Aventon Abound, Aventon's new cargo champion. The Aventon Abound cargo bike is a powerhouse when it comes to hauling. As Aventon's first ever cargo e-bike, it's designed with practicality in mind. The 500-watt sustained motor paired with the 720 watt-hour battery makes light work of even the heaviest cargo. Whether you're transporting groceries, tools, or even your kids, the footboards give you a peace of mind as well. The rear rack has a capacity of 143 pounds, so you'll have no problem carrying everything you need. The dropper post is a great addition, allowing you to adjust your seat height on the go for maximum comfort. Aventon didn't forget about safety either. The turn signals are a standout feature, making your rides around town safer. Plus, the front suspension fork with 50 millimeters of travel ensures your cargo and you stay stable and comfortable on bumpy roads. You'll also appreciate the storage bag, which lets you stash away your personal items, and the fenders, which protect you from rain or mud. This bike really does it all, making it a fantastic choice for anyone looking to haul a lot while still enjoying the convenience of electric power. Final thoughts. Each of these e-bikes shines in its own category, offering something for every type of rider. Whether you're looking to conquer mountains with the Fiido Titan, haul cargo effortlessly with the Abound cargo bike, or enjoy a smooth city ride with the Granite Tricycle, there's an e-bike here that fits your needs perfectly. These bikes are packed with cutting-edge features and thoughtful designs that make them stand out in the world of electric bikes.